Since each crane type and work setting has different requirements for overhead crane operation, it's important to check with your employer for workplace-specific requirements. However, there are some general rules of thumb when it comes to crane operator qualifications. First, crane operators must be at least 18 years of age and fall into one of these three categories: designated person, trainee under the direct supervision of a designated person, or maintenance or test personnel. Floor and remote hoist crane operators are required to pass a practical operating test. Cab operators must have vision of at least 20/30 in one eye and 20/50 in the other, be able to distinguish color, be able to hear adequately, have sufficient strength, endurance, agility, and coordination, and not have any physical or emotional impairments that could put themselves or others at risk, like a seizure disorder. When operating a crane, the operator shouldn't participate in any activity that distracts them while the crane is actively engaged. If the operator becomes physically or mentally unfit during operation, they must stop immediately and notify a supervisor. Operators are responsible for the crane and all crane operations and should follow all hand signals, safety requirements, and activate the warning signal appropriately. The crane operator is the first line of defense against accidents and injuries, and it's important to take this job seriously.